If you don't like labels but still notice patterns, then pay attention. If you avoid crowds but study behavior, then stick around. If you question why things change, you're already thinking sociologically. Sociology starts with the individual, your choices, identity, roles. Groups are where those individuals connect. Families, friend circles, teams. Associations and institutions are organized systems, schools, governments, churches that structure daily life. Culture is the shared meanings, language, norms, values that tell us what is normal. Society is the bigger network tying it all together. Social change is when those links shift. Tech, movements, laws, and everyday life transforms. Quick example: a new app, individual use, creates groups, becomes an institution, changes culture, and then society adapts. That's sociology, the map of how we live together.